Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have a Black Friday haul to do with you guys. I kind of like these videos. It's kind of fun to see like what everybody got, and I figured I would do one because I did a little bit more shopping than I normally do, but I did save all year long so I could buy stuff this year. I do have a few orders that aren't here yet, which kind of sucks, but it's okay. So let's talk about the ones I haven't gotten yet. So I ordered from Juvia's place and I ordered from the crayon case. I live for the crayon case sponges and the white outliners, so I stocked up on those. And then the Juvia's place, I wanted to try the foundation, the actual Eye Magic foundation, and then I also got a different concealer shade and the setting powder. So let's get into the other items. So I've been wanting to try Melt Cosmetics for ages, but that price point, honey, sometimes I'm just like, like I don't know, like I need there to be a sale. But I did get really lucky. They have like these pencil cases, which are really good for makeup kits, and they were on sale for $10. Normally they're $40. So you open it up and it has all these compartments. And I think, yeah, like you could fit a ton of pencils in this guy, like no joke. So I also got the Impulsive palette, which was on sale for $30. And I have done a look with this already, so it has been used, but it's this guy here. It is definitely heavy and sturdy, and it's very, very pigmented. So they've been living up to, you know, their reputation, which was pretty awesome. And I also got like this cute little bag. It was $1, so why not? I paid full price for one item, which is the Muerte palette, which is this guy here. So I picked up this guy and I haven't touched it yet because I wanted it to be perfect for this video. But I will be doing some tutorials soon because I've been seeing people's looks and they look fire, okay? Like fire. So I also splurged a bit and I got some Pat McGrath, but they did have a sale. So I got the Pat McGrath foundation, which I have had a sample of. And then I got, I've been wanting this palette for ages. And I was trying to get it off Poshmark, but people still wanted too much money for something that they had already touched. So I got the Sublime 5 palette. So the Mothership 5. I don't know why I said Sublime, but the Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction palette. And I cannot wait. I can't wait. I just can't wait. Like, stay tuned. All right. So I did also get a Ofra mystery bag. I have already posted a little video on my Instagram, and I did take some of the stuff out. So a couple of things that I got in the mystery bag were a vitamin C foaming cleanser. I got this flexi stick and stretch, as well as a highlighter in Beverly Hills, and it's a full-size highlighter, which is this guy right here. I got blush in Ollie Need Is Love, like Ollie, like super cute, which is a nice peachy blush, and I have tried this. It does have a small shimmer to it, so I don't know if I like it. I kind of like matte blushes, and then I like to add the highlight where I want it. I got this little one in Star Island, which is a nice super bright highlighter. I've already used this, but I used it like really high at the corner, so it's just like that extra, you know, ping. And then I did do some in-store shopping at Sephora because I had some returns. And Bite Cosmetics, I believe they're changing some of their formula and they're going like completely vegan or something like that. And I picked up this. This is called a matte cream lip crayon in truffle because I love dark lips and I love nude lips. It's like the complete polar opposites. I don't know. I'm not really into mid-tones. And then I also got this gloss, which I have on, which is in flat white. And I just put that in the center of my lips, and it's not sticky. It's like really creamy. Oh, I'm in love. And then if you're wondering why my skin is so flawless, it's because your girl finally got some Dose of Colors because they had 30% off. So I got the shade 131 Dark. I just realized like the sticker looks all jacked up. That's weird. Whatever. But it's a perfect match, which I was super happy because I was picking it from online, which everyone knows can be a disaster. And then I got a concealer in 23, as well as I picked up a few other things. I got their Dose of Colors Seamless Beauty Sponge, and I got the Dose of Colors, what is this? I don't remember what this is called, but it's in the shade Maple. It's like one of their little duo shadow things, and it has like a cream base, and then you put pigment on top of it. if I can figure out how this thing, oh, they put like a little special packaging. But it's called the Ideal Duo. I'm just gonna open it because I gotta put it away anyway. And it's this guy here. And I'm really excited to try it. Ooh, I don't know where, oh. I was just throwing everything in the trash. So, I mean, not the product, of course. And then I also did a haul. I did an order with Lily Lashes because I've been wanting to try them for ages, but I just could not bring myself to pay $20 to $30 for one pair of lashes, especially when I've been getting PR for lash companies, thank God. And yeah, so I got one from my hometown, which is San Diego. I got Boston, these guys here, and then I have another one. I could have swore I had three. I don't know where I put it. I think I might have used one. Oops. And then I got the light in Mykonos Light, and I got Miami Light, which are these babies here. And then I also got some accessories. I got a pair of scissors, and then I got 2 lash applicators because I needed one for my kit, and then you can never have enough scissors because, like, I don't know why they either go dull or they disappear, and that's just kind of how it goes. But yeah, so there's that. Oh, and then another thing I got from Ofra was the pop-up palette. So I'm gonna use this for my kit. And oh, I almost forgot the huge thing. So this is Milk Cosmetics, and it's their metallic lip glosses, and it's 8 shades. Honey, 8 shades for $35. So I'm gonna give some of the colors away, but this is the 5 that I'm gonna keep. It's in the shades Seance, Deviant, Trance, 1942, and Evoke. And then I'm gonna give these guys away just because I can. So this one is in Overkill, Amulet, and Lurk. You know, they be lurking. They be lurking. So that's these babies here. And I'm gonna give those away with the bag because I've got a lot of bags now from like shopping and stuff. Oh, and then I also, from Sephora, I got the Kiehl's Glow Hydration Set. I'm really excited to try these. I've heard nothing but good things about Kiehl's, and I've been trying the Midnight Recovery Serum because I had a trial size, and my skin's been doing pretty good with that. And then I also, I see some things that I've already set off to the side. I got this All Agave Bite Beauty little lip kit for $7. And then I also got the moisture spray from Brun Francois. I believe that's how you say it, Francois. And then I also got like some hair locking because I'm going to put my hair in locks. But yeah, so that's most of the stuff that I got. I hope you guys like this haul video. If you like these videos, please make sure you like this video. Put a comment down below and give me some suggestions of what you would like to see or things you would like me to review. And before my camera dies, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, so, ooh, my lighting is off. Oh, I know why. Why is this so dark? My bad. So because there were these pencil